asking me how my family prepares for Christmas, I think it's almost the same every year. Like, my mom is always in the kitchen first. She's cooking, and it smells really good.
John? Why isn't this thing working?
And my dad is hanging the lights.
Yeah, I've got an issue here too.
But that's for dinner tonight.
My grandparents sit by the fireplace. They drink their tea, and they just watch, like they already know everything is gonna be okay. But then, I sit down at the table, and everything is quiet. A little too quiet.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Oh, that's the sound. Every year, when I hear that sound, I know Christmas has really begun.
Wouldn't it be